Hello architecture visualization community. Welcome to this course where we explore the creation of an interior architectural visualization scene utilizing the powerful and freely available software called Blender. Throughout this course, we will dive into various crucial aspects of Arch Viz process, all done entirely within the open source realm of Blender. Our journey includes texturing. Learn the art of texturing, covering UV mapping and more. Lighting techniques, discover effective methods for illuminating your scene. Composition, rendering, and get the lowdown on rendering within Blender. Post-production elevates your work through post-processing within Blender. Furthermore, in the future we'll expand our horizons with bonus content such as exploring different lighting approaches, harnessing the power of light groups, leveraging the capabilities of EV rendering, adding a vignette effect to your creations, streamlining your workflow with batch rendering, mastering post-production using Affinity Photo, and finally Crypto Matte. The level of this course is intermediate. You should have some basics with Blender to start with this course. I advise you to watch the Blender Guru Donut's tutorial and have a Blender version 4.0 beta and above. So finally, join us in this open source journey to enhance your architectural visualization skills. Salam.